Chard. Oh. Ano sabi mo, boy? Philip. Philip, si Lakay.
Ano, kasama namin dito. Dito na makikita ang progreso ng real school.
Progreso.
Dito na kami, wala na kami makakain dito, kaya ganito na makakatawan namin.
Huwag kayong pupunta dito, malulugi lang kayo.
Boy.
Yan ang ebidensya naman yung yan.
Para sa take 3, ano message mo, boy, sa madlang people?
Well, actually, guys, to all the people out there, just keep it up. You know, I don't have anything to say, but just keep it out. For all the safety for your own skills. And then just making sure the agency will be provided you a good communication. And also, beware of illegal recruitment agency. Alright guys, just check this out on maybe just a few video. Nagawa kami ng just funny video for the dance cost. And then we will show you. Basta, just check this out, all the guys out there. Ang collection ni Ikti.
It's all for the cost.
Master Booter, guys. On MMB80 sa Yahoo. Si Master Booter to, and then also you can check this out, the Tropang Nowhere, para yung si mga editor. Okay guys?
Okay guys. No more message? Richard? No more. Okay.